next day at the Tough Person contest, Bertha Joe kicked her way to another victory.
Bertha Joe! Way to go, girl! Way to go! Get over here.
Oh, you don't know what it means to have you here cheering for me again.
Oh.
I mean, you were even there when I tried out for the Atlanta Falcons.
And you should have made that team. Bertha Joe, I just know you're going to win.
That's what I'm afraid of.
What? You don't want to win?
Not if it means beating Bubba.
What? Who's Bubba?
That's Bubba. The cute one.
Which cute one?
The one with the beard, silly.
Oh!
Isn't he gorgeous?
Now, look out, Brad Pitt.
Oh, Daisy, I love Bubba something terrible.
Oh.
Can you believe we've been together for a year?
That's wonderful.
Yeah, no, but don't you see? If we both make the finals, I'll have to fight Bubba. I might win.
Well, isn't that the point?
Love is real strange, Daisy. When I beat him at the Hazzard arm wrestling contest, he wouldn't speak to me for a week.
Oh, men are such babies.
Beating a man in private is one thing, but beating him in public, that does something to his ego. So, I'm gonna have to throw the fight.
What? BJ, you can't do that. Women everywhere are counting on you. Besides, what kind of a man would want a woman who would throw a fight, huh?
You really think so?
Oh, absolutely. Woman's honor is at stake and your integrity. Now, if you really love Bubba, come off the floor with him. Besides, maybe he won't make the finals.
Don't count on it.
Friends, this plot is downright Shakespearean. And while Daisy was counseling Bertha Joe, the boys was working all through the night.
Song. Hey, now, listen, just take it easy, except on the straightaways. I don't want no jumping at all. You're easy on the curse, because this suspension is still a little swirly, all right? So no matter what you do, please, take it.
It just so happened that on that same road, old Cletus was doing speed trap duty.
Sheriff, General Lee just ran our speed trap.
We'll go after him, Cletus, and then I'll head south and we'll box him in. Oh, goody. I knew there was nothing wrong with that dang General Lee. Pursuit! You got me. Hey, isn't that Cletus? Hey, Cletus! Just like old time.
I got him in sight, Sheriff.
Well, stay with him. I'm coming.
I'm closing in on him, Sheriff.
Me too. Oh, I love it. Oh, we got him trapped like rats. Stay with him, Cletus.
You are aware this road goes to Dry Creek.
I am aware that this road goes to Dry Creek.
You are aware there's no way to get over Dry Creek.
I am aware there's one way to get over Dry Creek.
Oh, Lord God.
Which is not the way to get over Dry Creek.
Now we know the general can still outrun old Roscoe.
Yeah.
What do you say we give it a try on some curves, huh?
Why not?
Well, to so-called General Lee. Here they come. Let's see what they got.
We just ain't making cars like this anymore. People must not have enough to do today. We got company again. I don't recognize these guys.
Sticking awful close. Who are those guys?
I don't know.
They're wearing crash helmets?
We can't today, no way.
Nah, they really want to race.
We gotta save it for Saturday night.
They won't take no for an answer.
Oh, we can't do it. The suspension won't do it.
Hey! What are you doing now? What's the matter with those guys?
Oh, they look serious. Look out, coming up.
Well, you haven't lost your touch.
Y'all hang on.
Baseball cards.
We're